What's up, guys? Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. We're rolling into 2020. I want to do a quick video today on the Zega Pro Panniers by Touratech. Are these the best panniers you can buy for the BMW GS 1200 or 1250? I think so. And I'm going to share my experiences with them. Stick around. Alright, these are the Zega Pro Panniers by Touratech. I've had these, I don't know, damn near 50,000 miles. I know I have over 40,000 on them. But these things are awesome. This is the same company that makes the BMW ones. But they're a lot cheaper, almost half the price, I believe. Or they're cheaper, for sure. It's the same company that makes the BMW ones, Touratech does, and it's really good quality. It's got this ridge here, and it seals, and there's gasket in here, so it seals that way. They mount right here and screw on, and I'll show that other clip when I install them. And then they got like these hockey pucks down here that kind of hang over the edge. And there you can see that hockey puck kind of hangs over. And they're just screwed in. And I really like these. Now, I have a little bit of water get in them. For the most part, they're waterproof. I think if I spray it with a power washer like at the car wash, I can get water in there. I don't really run bags because I haven't really had that much, but I took these to Alaska and we rode through a lot of rain and they were great. I had no problem. Now I believe this is the 45 liter. This is the 45 liter and that's the 38 liter. And it's also the bars for it are not the BMW ones. You have to buy the Touratech bars. So when I got my bike at the dealer, I just had them take off the BMW ones. They took it off the price. I don't remember what it was, but and I put these Touratech on, but they just mount real easy. Same way, similar. Do there, and then it's hooking on this. There's a spacer here. You just take the spacer out and put it in there. And that's about it. But these are great. And for the most part, they are waterproof. I think all Panniers leak. That's just my opinion. I haven't had all the Panniers. I have friends that had the BMW who've had leaks. I had friends that had the Jivy boxes, and like those leak a lot. He was running trash bags. His Jivy top box was fine, but it was always the side panniers. I don't run a top box. I usually run a cooler and just pack my camping stuff on here. I want my weight to be lower, and I try to run minimal, so. But as far as having these panniers, like I've dropped my bike several times. You can see in several videos that I've dropped them, and they protect my bike. And they got some scratches on this hard plastic here, but it's not it doesn't bother me. And excuse my crappy, I wrapped them, and it was my first time, and I got some wrinkles in it, quite a few. But I'm gonna run it anyway. I don't care. And I'll link to that video. It's gonna be I'll put a link to that video. It's coming out, but I'll link to it in the future so you can go right there. I've dropped these several times. I don't think there's any dents in them. I got a couple scratches on the hard plastic, but it's not a problem for me. And they protected my bike. I did get my foot stuck under one pannier when I was riding with a buddy, and I was stuck and he helped me out Could I have got out of it by myself? Maybe, but it would have took me a little while. But I did get stuck under it. And I'll link to that video too, so you can check that out. But I think most of that is my riding, my lack of off-road riding ability. Huh. So this is 38 liters. These things are awesome. They hold up well under crashing off-road. I'm not high speed and stuff, but I am dropping my bike off-road, and they're protecting my bike. They're not getting damaged. They're not deformed or anything. They're just getting scratches on the hard plastic that they put there for that reason. They're pretty good. I like them. I don't want to get rid of them off-road. I don't want to get the Panniers. I like the security of them. They're really good. This is 45 liters, 38 liters. I think I said that already. But this holds a full-size helmet. It's also the size of a carry-on, standard carry-on. So I have a carry-on, Osprey carry-on backpack, and that's how I travel. I pack that. It's an Osprey backpack that's carry-on, standard carry-on size, and it fits perfect in here. When I travel, I just pack that with my clothes, and like if I stay in hotels, I just pull that out and carry it in. It's great. It's perfect. I like it. This is over 80 liters between these. This is 45, that's 38. That's like what, 83 liters, I think? If my math is correct. Probably not, but that's a lot of storage, and it's just on the bottom here. So I really like it. The Zega Pro Panniers by Touratech. Pannier system. It's the bars, the 38, 45. I like it. And excuse my wrap job. And I also, you know, I have a string tied here, and I run all my stickers on the inside here. But I did like have it down and unlatched and went down the highway, and it went up and kapow, broke off the thing. It broke off this metal one like over there. But it had fell back and was totally blowing in the wind on the highway. And it didn't do much. It just damaged a little bit here, but on the hinge I was able to bend it a little bit, but it's not a problem. It closes just fine now. Exactly like I like. Perfect. I run all my stickers too. I don't know if I showed that, but I run all my stickers. My Alaska, BC, Canada, Black Canyon, some Banff, Zion. I got your Moonshiner and stuff down there. Angel's Landing. All the good stuff. Some more Alaska. But these Panniers, they're tough as hell. I really like them. I think the most part, these are waterproof. I've had, you know, very little water get in them. I rode them to Alaska and the pouring rain and didn't get any water really. Probably mostly just condensation, I think, but you know, I'm happy with them. They don't look bad. But this 45 and the 38, they don't stick out bad at all, really. I mean, when you're looking at the bike, can't see. Really. It's minimal. They don't stick out. They stick out about what the handlebars are. They're not bad. I really like them. And I forget the price on them. I think they're like $1,300 for these two Panniers. Something like that. But they're good. They're hanging up. They're holding up tough. They're not getting all deformed. They protect my bike. I think they look alright besides my wrap. That bad wrap job, but that'll do it. Zega Pro Panniers. That's the Zega Pros. Happy New Year to everybody. Check some of my other videos though. You can see me dumping it on these Panniers and they're holding up. They're tough. They're tough panniers for sure. Until next time, thanks guys. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe.